Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel once again. Today I am here before you to continue my previous video classes. Where I left, I would like to continue it from there itself. Okay viewers, today I am going to derive a formula of quadratic equation what I discussed in my previous class. That same topic will be continued here. That I derived the quadratic formula by using the completing square method. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What it is? It is a general form of a quadratic equation. To this I have derived the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. For this one, we have derived a formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Generally, this is the formula of a quadratic equation. Now, there is another method which we can use and can derive the same formula using this another method. What's the method? Just follow it now. First, we should take the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you know that here the variable is x in degree 2 and degree 1. What are a, b, c's are called? You should remember and recall that in from your previous videos. A, b, c are the real numbers where a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant, and they are all what? Real number. And one condition is there, one condition applies, that a must not be an equal to 0 for the quadratic equation. If at all if a is equal to 0, it multiplies the second degree and makes the 0, then it will remain as a linear equation. No more that will be a quadratic equation. For that reason, there is a condition applies that a should not be equal to 0. Okay, now what should we do? We have to multiply this general form with 4a. This arbitrary we have to multiply the 4a. Let's see what will happen. 4 multiplies a into a is a square into x square. Alright. 4a multiplies ax square is 4a square x square plus 4a multiplies bx, it will be 4a bx, and 4 multiplies c, it will be 4ac is equal to 0. Alright. Now you have to make a perfect square. You should make a perfect square. What should you do now? Here, this part you have to make perfect square. In the first part, the perfect square is 4 is perfect square, a square is a perfect square, x square is a perfect square, isn't it? When you just compare this one, here we get the square root of a square is a and square root of x square is what? X. Then what left out? B is left out. So that's why what should we do? Take this b square, then it will be b square. Add b square and subtract b square. Here 4a square x square plus 4abx, then b square is added and b square is subtracted, plus 4ac which is equal to 0. Alright. Now you make a complete perfect square for this whole expressions. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b square. It is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square means what? It will be totally 2ax whole square. A square means what? 2ax whole square. And the last one is it is a b square means b whole square plus 2 formula number. A is what? 2ax and b is at b. B is at as it is b. It's of the form a square plus 2 a b plus b square. Then it will be equal to what? A plus b whole square. No, that form we apply here. A is 2ax plus b whole square with minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. Actually, after multiplying with 4a, we have to just take and derive this perfect square by adding b square and subtracting b square. Now 2ax plus b whole square is equal to, you transpose these or shift this to the right hand side, that will go to the right side by changing their original signs. Here it is a minus b square, it will be a plus b square plus 4ac, right side of the 0 becomes minus 4ac. Now here the left side we have the square form. So remove the square. No, 2ax plus b is equal to, when square is removed, immediately a root will be applied onto the right side, square root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Alright. Now we want 2ax is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. 2ax is kept left side and b is shifted to the right side, becomes plus b, changes to minus b. And again it is x is equal to, we want x because x is the roots of the equation. X, we want to find the value of x as the roots of the equation. That's why we have to take x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, and this 2a is being transferred to the right side, it comes and join in the denominator, is equal to by 2a. This is our derivation of the formula. Once again, in short and in very simple way, I would like to repeat this. Multiply the whole equation with 4a, it will be 4a square x square, 4abx plus 4ac. Then 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b. Add b square, subtract b square, because when you put the b square, it makes a perfect square of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So for that purpose, we have chosen to square b, add it and subtract it. Okay. Now you can see that here, for example, 4a square x square and it is 4abx. Okay. You take 2ax whole square plus here 4. 2 into 2 is a formula number 2. What is a 2ax? Alright, 2ax. What left out here? What left out here? It is ax has come with the 2a, so b is left out, so b square is added here by multiplying with b. 2ax into b plus b whole square. By this way, we add b square and subtract b square. And we just take the complete perfect form of this one is a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. 2ax plus b whole square is equal to, then minus b square goes to the right side, becomes plus b square, and plus 4ac goes to the right, it becomes minus 4ac. Alright. Now we want 2x plus b is equal to, the square is removed onto the left side, it goes to the right by applying the root. Then the root plus or minus b square minus 4ac. 2ax is equal to plus b goes to the right, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. But we need x. X is the roots of the equation. We find the x. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula derivation. Alright. Now, the important to discuss the nature of the roots. I would like to discuss the nature of the roots. Suppose how the roots will be. What is the nature? If you find the values and if you find the roots of the equation, their nature will be decided on the basis of their delta. We know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In the right side, you don't find any variable at all because variable is taken out as an x into left side, but only we have the real number. This is the form of a constant. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is a constant. Only so here b is not a complete that numbers a and b, a and c is missing out here. Here in this denominator a, but a and it's b and c is missing out. Here a and c is missing out. Here b and c is missing out. Where is the completely the all three real numbers are present here in this particular part? Are you following? Under root of b square minus 4ac, isn't it? So it is going to be a complete one. Which one? This. This is only the decisive to determine the nature of the roots. Okay, this is the decisive factor in every quadratic equation to determine the nature of the roots. What type of roots are they? Now you take this one. Delta is equal to, what is this? B square minus 4ac. Then this factor will decide the nature of the roots. It has the three form. First one, delta is greater than 0, then the nature of the roots will be real and distinct. Means the roots will be real. There will be a real number and also they are distinct, means the two roots are two different way. And if the delta is equal to 0, suppose if delta becomes, means delta means what? If you substitute what is b, what is a and what is c, if that gives the value greater to 0, the roots are real and distinct. If gives the equal to 0, that implies that the roots are equal and real. Roots are equal and real. Similarly, if the delta is less than 0, means it is negative 1. If the roots are negative 1, we say that the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. These are the three form and the nature of the roots. The most common and also the basic things of the comparison and comparatively that we have. Whenever we have a comparison, we have the three factors. What? Greater, lesser, equal. The same way here the delta is greater to 0, roots are real and distinct. Delta is equal to 0, roots are equal and real. If the delta is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. I hope you understand with this one, and I am going to end my video today's here only, hoping that you will just subscribe it, share it. One thing I would like to say, listen everybody carefully. Because my videos now, the more stress and emphasis will be given onto the concept, I will solve the problem very few and very less. But that is the reason you do not restrict or desist yourself from not subscribing the channel. You do subscribe. If you know the concept, if you understand the concept, then no need for the solution. Because I told already very categorically in my previous videos that in order to find the solution, in order to take the solution, no, you will find in plenty number, in plenty of the sources that you can find the solutions. But finding solution or following the solution is not necessarily. It is the important that we should understand the concept. So my videos are only related to the concepts of mathematics. With this hope, I believe that my channel will be subscribed by you, every watchers, every viewers, and share it and press the bell icon. With this, I am going to end up my video. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you.